Come on! I'm so excited to pick our very own Fairy Island pumpkins!
And I can't wait to decorate them and bring them home to wow our trick-or-treaters.
Do you think they do trick-or-treating on Fairy Island? Huh? Where are Bláithín and Cuán?
Rouse. Have you ever seen a pumpkin that big? Ah!
Boom! Trick-or-treat! Bub na bia!
He scared us.
Hana Harde! Happy Halloween!
Huh?
Fia! You grew wings!
This is just my Halloween costume, Bláithín.
That's a very clever Bubnu Bia Fia. Good trick.
It's not a trick. It's just a costume. I'm a pirate. See?
Arg!
Whoa!
Come on, let's pick our pumpkiny. Blight, listen. I have a really good idea. Bubnu Bia. Aswina. Ameer, what about this one? It has some green on it. Your favorite color.
Rouse.
Bubnu Bia!
Okay, Acordia. Good joke. We know you like playing tricks. Happy Halloween! Come on, let's go have some fun.
But this is fun! Don't you just love tricks?
I think I prefer the treats part of Halloween.
And I much prefer making decorations.
You're galore.